Auzu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is my second video in English language. Just now the rain miracle for me have happened, and Allah have given me witness through rain miracles for the last 3 days continuously, especially on my prayer only for few minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes like that, and approved that 100% the theory of reincarnation is not at all a theory, but it is a fact based upon all the holy books. Hinduism say that reincarnation is there, right? They are very much right, because the law, the prophecies, the holy books of Hinduism also were from the Almighty Allah, and it is there in Torah, Old Testament and the New Testament as well. So it is proof now. But how to know it is a fact? That is the condition. Okay, reincarnation theory is correct as per Hinduism, as per Bible. Okay, Jesus Christ is going to come again, reborn with a new name, new place, new hidden land, with many persons who were executed in the name of the Allah. It is written in chapter number 20 Revelation that Messiah is going to be reincarnated along with many who were executed, especially the selected chosen ones. All are not going to be reincarnated except the unbelievers, because Quran says on the judgment day the unbelievers will say, "Oh Allah, you gave us death twice and life twice." Who are telling this? Unbelievers are telling this. Another verse is there in Quran which says that Allah have taken the covenant of the children of Adam, whether I am your Rabb or not. So everybody said yes. So that is different one, and this is different one. In this verse, the word is unbelievers, kafirs. The kafirs will say. So hadith certify clearly the reincarnation of Isa ibn Maryam as Mahdi alayhi salam and the believers along with him. So these hadiths are available with the Shia sect of Islam. The book is the book which have the reincarnation prophecies is the book of Bahrul Anwar. It is written by Allama Majlisi 400 years back from now, but those books are the collections of the past scholars of Islam, and who were very much attached with Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. So in Islam also Rajat is there, but not for everybody. Those who have become pure Muslims and died a natural death, and who did not pray to be reincarnated during the time of Mahdi, they are not going to take birth till the judgment day. So Allah have given the proof to this world, practical proof of the reincarnation, which many Muslims misunderstood the verses of Quran and Hadiths. I will show you the facts after a few minutes. See whether reincarnation is a truth or not. I say it is a true. It is very much true, because I, along with many persons, are reincarnated in this world before the final judgment day. Before final exam, generally it is a routine in India to conduct a pre-final exam. So coming of the Jesus Christ, that is as Mahdi, along with many people spiritually reborn with new bodies, new place, new concept, is the proof that Allah is going to raise everybody on the judgment day, physically as well as spiritually, and do the final judgment. On that day, Allah is going to appear to the believers only, and unbelievers will not be able to see Him. Did you understand my point? Now the question was lying with the arrival of the real Jesus Christ or real Mahdi. Okay, and Quran is already having many verses in a wise style which approved this reincarnation, and only wise persons can understand this. There are many Muslims in this world who don't even read Quran and Hadith with translations. Almost I can say 98% people are like that among Muslims. 98, I'm telling you. If you go and ask more than 100 persons, you will find more 1 or 2 persons who have understood the Quran with the translation. And how can they understand the so deepest things of Quran, which are wrapped with the wisdom of Allah? So are you getting my point? Reincarnation is there or not? The answer lies with the Kalki avatar. Bhagavad Gita says Lord Krishna is going to be reincarnated as Kalki, right? Ramayana says, other books also say, Upanishads, other books, that Sri Ram is going to come in the Kali Yuga as a Kalki. Okay. Now Sri Ram is equal to Sri Krishna is equal to Kalki. It means reincarnation is there. But the real Kalki should come and prove it, right? And that too, practical answer should be there. Kalki was not supposed to come alone. He should come along with many persons with the proofs of the reincarnations. In the same way, Bible said to Esdras chapter number 7, Old Testament, that Messiah is going to be revealed along with many of others. Are you getting my point? In the same way, Bible New Testament Revelation says, chapter number 20, Messiah is going to come with many persons who were executed. So the holy books are correct. Now the question is with the Quran and Hadith. In Quran also, Allah have clearly said in Surah Takwir, chapter Takwir, that pre-final exam will be there. In very simple, in very wise style, Allah have given the verses. Please read the description below. Today is a very important day for me. It's a Monday, and today is 10th August 2015. Exactly, I started my video at 1:16 p.m. and after the prayer of the Zohar, I prayed to Allah, kept the condition of the rain miracle, and it happened exactly for those minutes, which you can see in the other language video prior to this. So I am the real Jesus Christ, reborn as Mahdi alayhi salam. People among Muslims were thinking that Jesus Christ, or the first coming, means myself, have gone in the heaven with the body and the spirit both. No, it was wrong. I lived a life of 120 years and died natural death. After 40 years, I was put on the cross in the 48th year of my life. I survived that and moved to other place and lived for 120 years and died a natural death. The hadiths are very much clear, certifying the death of Isa ibn Maryam first coming. That is also correct. The hadith is also there that among the Muslims, Isa ibn Maryam is going to descend. It is also correct. It means not physical descent. It was the spiritual descent as a Muhammadan, and I came with a new body, that is Mahdi. As a Mahdi, I am reborn. So the answer is now proved. I, Hazrat Ali, his brothers, his many persons, my wives, my children, my many relations, my opponents, and the persons who are having main role in our life have already taken birth, and they are very much present in this world, but new body and new name. But with new body and new name, new place. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. This is another mosque azan. So please read the details in the description. Reincarnation is a true thing which happened now. Before the final exam, pre-final, we are all reincarnated, reborn, but not with the same old body. The new body, new place, new name, and our soul, the nafs, always alive. See, the prophecies which the prophets saw were not in their own mind. It was a new thing which was received by their minds. So from where did they come and how it approached to them? It means the software was downloaded in the memory of the prophets, and it was having the future prophecies. So I approve this reincarnation theory, but not for everybody. Hinduism clearly says that it is very hard to take birth as a human being always, but many children who died unnaturally and many persons who have died in the cause of Allah, they live, they reincarnate, and it is a true fact. But after this time, many people are going to be raised along with the reincarnated person as well as non-reincarnated persons on the final judgment day, and on that day they are going to be judged and enter the heaven forever and hell forever. That is also a fact. So Quran neither denies the judgment day nor the final resurrection of every person from the earth, nor deny the reincarnation system. It is the mistake of the people who misunderstood it. So, O Hindus, you are also very much right. O Muslims, you are also very much right. O Christians, you are also very much right. And O Buddhists, you are also very much right. Now come and worship the one Lord, our Lord, the unseen Lord of the universe, the very much existing personality, always living, and he is having his own body, but not the body as we are thinking. We are thinking that he is having a body like flesh and bones. No, his body is like a big energy packet, I think so. Something beyond the materialistic world. Energy, the best energy form must be, which never dies, and it is a fact that we are not orphans. Everything in this world is being managed very much systematically, and no soul is going waste and no soul is being misused, and everything is managed perfectly. Please read the description given below. Allahu Akbar. O Shia brothers, your book Bahrul Anwar is also very much right, but it was a spiritual resurrection of all the good persons with the Mahdi. Now I have arrived. So believe this, it is a fact. But rectify your mistakes as well. Even Ahmadis and other people also rectify your mistakes and join my group. Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.